Is the Autel MS906S really worth the jump for your workshop, or just another flashy scan tool? After using it on multiple cars, I've got some honest thoughts you'll want to hear before pulling the trigger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, we're diving deep into the Autel MaxiSys MS906S, a serious diagnostic tablet built for professional mechanics and dedicated DIYers alike. Let's see how it performs in the real world. What is it? The MS906S is part of Autel's MaxiSys line, essentially a mid to upper tier diagnostic tablet offering full system access, bi-directional capabilities, coding, and lots of service functions. Think of it as more than just an OBD reader. We're talking shop-level diagnostics. According to reviews, this model features a hexa-core processor, 64 gigabytes memory, Android OS, and a wireless Bluetooth VCI Mini. Key features. Here are the standout features. All systems diagnostics, engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, body modules, and more. Bi-directional or active testing. Send commands to components to test them directly. Over 30 service functions, oil reset, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, injector coding, and etc. Wireless communication, Bluetooth VCI Mini, for easier connection to the vehicle's OBD port. Strong hardware, 8-inch touchscreen, large storage, robust tablet feel. Supports wide range of vehicles, US, Asian, European makes, many modules. How to use. Using the MS906S is simple. Connect the VCI by cable or Bluetooth. Turn the ignition on. Select Auto Scan or enter vehicle info manually. Scan systems, view live data, or run active tests. Clear codes and save or export reports, all in one workflow. Unboxing and what's inside. In the box, you typically get the MS906S tablet, the VCI, the wireless Bluetooth module, OBD2 cable, perhaps older vehicle adapters depending on the bundle, a power charger, carry case. The build quality is solid, weighs like a rugged tablet rather than a cheap reader. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Professional level diagnostics and active testing. 2. Wide coverage for multiple car brands. 3. Wireless connection and solid build quality. Cons. 1. Higher price than basic scanners. 2. Some new or rare vehicles need OEM tools. 3. Software updates required to keep full features. Price and value. Considering the functionality, if you're running a shop or doing serious diagnostics on multiple vehicle makes, the MS906S delivers a lot of capability for the money. If you're only occasionally checking engine codes on one make, it might be overkill. Think of it as investment in capability. So is the Autel MaxiSys MS906S the right scanner for you? If you're serious about diagnostics, servicing many types of vehicles, and you want a tool that goes beyond basic code reading, then yes, this one is very capable and worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more mechanic-grade tool reviews, and let me know in the comments what tool you'd like me to review next. I'll see you in the next one.